Okay. Leveling. Leveling is used for measuring height of a relative point or used to measure undulation of a relative surface for contour mapping, profiling and a cross section. So for computing reduced level, there is a two method for leveling. First one is height of instrument method and second one is rise and fall method. In rise and fall method and height of instrument method, we find that reduced level or relative point at certain interval. Okay. For the height of instrument, first we measure the RL of HI, means height of instrument, using benchmark. There is a nearly benchmark first point, and using that benchmark, first we find that height RL of HI. Now the reduced level of a line of collimation is said to be height of instrument. Okay, so height of instrument what? The line of collimation is called height of instrument. So there are steps or procedure to find the RL of various point. So that first step is calculate height of instrument by adding backside reading to the RL of BM. So what we do first, from the benchmark we know that RL of BM. So using that staff reading we find that RL of HI. Okay, so first we measure RL of BM using staff meter, staff and dumpy level. So there is an equation used to calculate RL of HI. So RL of HI equal to RL of BM plus BS. BS is what? So first point. Okay, first point though what we measure. Okay, so BS is the first point of backside reading. So backside reading is add into our RL of benchmark. If there is a benchmark is 100 and BS is 1.2 something. Okay, so our RL of HI is equal to 101.2. Understood? So this is that calculation of RL. Now before the shifting of instrument, RL of intermediate points and changing point are obtained by subtracting the respective staff reading. So after find that RL of HR, there is another point. Okay, so assume that this is your benchmark, this is your station. Okay, now you find BS using staff reading. So this is your staff reading and you find the different interval 1, 2, 3. There is a station and you calculate or you find that RL of particular station 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3. So this is your intermediate point or intermediate site. And last one, when you change your station from here to here, so it is your change point, or you can use your FS, means from station A the last point of RL is measured, it's called FS. Okay, for site, and the first point is measured is called BS, and between those FS and BS it's called intermediate site, intermediate point. Okay, understood? So now able to understand what is BS, what is IS and what is FS. Okay, so now after changing that station 1 from 2, you need to calculate once again height of HI, because from one station here there is a level of surface is changed or vary, so we need to calculate once again RL of HI. Okay, so once again find RL of CP. Okay, so RL of CP is equal to RL of HI minus last point. Last point is Fs. Okay, so RL of HI minus Fs. And after that, you need to calculate HI. So RL of HI is equal to RL of CP. Okay, what we find earlier using foreside and plus BS, backside point. Okay, so after that we measure the backside point and this is your RL of HI. Okay, so when we measure to this point CP and measure that first point, it is your BC, and BS is always measured with non-RL. Okay, when we know that RL of this point is this value, okay, so this point having some value of RL, so when we use that BS, okay, otherwise we don't go for a backside calculation or backside measurement. Okay, first point no, so this is your benchmark. Why? So we go for benchmark and calculate using BS. Okay, and then based on that we find HI. Same here. Okay, this point is known for us because we calculate it, so this point is used for BS, this point is also for BS, and this point is also for BS. Understood? So any known point or known reading it used to calculate RL of HI or as a backside point. Understood? So when we shift the level next setup, first what you do find CP, and using CP you find that RL of HI using backside. Okay, so this is that procedure to calculate RL of HI, RL of IS, RL of CP, and RL of HI when you change your station. Understood? And one note there, always remember BS value is always positive or added into RL, and IS intermediate side and foreside is always subtract from that RL. Okay, RL of point. So this is, remember not, so IS and IFS is always subtract from RL value, and BS is always add to find RL of HI and RL of CP. Okay, so this is the method we use to find that height of instrument and find that leveling. Understood? Now we go for the example now. Using HI method, find that reduced level of a various point. So here example is the following consecutive reading were taken with a dumpy level along chain line at a common interval of 5 meter. So at every 5 meter interval, dumpy level is used to measure the level. The position of instrument was changed after 3rd, 7th and 10th reading. Draw out the form of a level book and enter the above reading properly. Assume the RL of first point as 50. So 50 is your benchmark. So using this benchmark, the first reading is BS. Okay, so the first reading is a BS. Calculate RL of all point and apply as check. Okay, so check is we use for our reading or our RL is correct or not at the end of that calculation. Now first in example here, the instrument was changed after 3rd, 7th and 10th reading. So 3rd reading is 0.645, 7th reading is 1.750 and 10th reading is 1.200. Okay, so the station is changed from 3rd, 7th and 10th reading. So what it indicate? So for this reading, the backside is this 3.50 and foresight for first station, means ke at a benchmark. Okay, so BS is 3050 and FS is 645. Now we need to understand there are the 12 reading. In 12 reading, which reading is backside, which reading is foresight, and which reading is intermediate point. Okay, so there is a instrument was changed at 3rd, 7th and 10th position. So when the instrument change, so it reading itself is foresight. So level reading number 3, reading number 7 and reading number 10th is a foresight. Now after that we measure first reading, so it's called backside. Okay, so after 3rd we measure 4th reading, so it is your backside. Okay, 3rd, 7th and 8th, 10th after 11th, so it is your backside reading. Understood? And other than this, foresight and backside, all the reading is called intermediate point or IS. Okay, intermediate side. And always remember the first point of a reading and a last point of reading is always foresight and a backside. Means that when we take on first point is go for backside and last point of our leveling or level is foresight. So now you understand which is backside, foresight and intermediate side. Once again I repeat that when level instrument was changed, okay, at 3, 7 and 10th, so when it is 3rd position, so it is foresight. When it change 7th, then it is foresight, and when it is the reading 10 and it is foresight. And next consecutive means after the changing the station or instrument, when we measure that first point of a RL, it is BS. So after 3rd point we measure 4th point, so 4th point is BS, and after 7th point we measure BS, so it is 8 reading is your BS, and then we measure 10 and 11, so 11 point is your BS. And first point is always BS and last point is always FS. So now are able to understand to which point is FS, BS and IS. Okay, now we draw a table using this intermediate point, foresight and backside. So there is a table. For draw table you know that station, okay, how many station are there, okay, and the interval is channels and BS. So BS, your first point is always your BS, means 0.350. Okay, so write in BS. So next point is 0.580, so it is your intermediate. So write in second point, it is your intermediate point 0.580. Next point, third point, so third point itself is a foresight, so third point is 0.645. Then next point, fourth point is your BS, so BS is 1.850. Then okay, this is your fourth point is backside. Now again write your FACD in a 4 point. Okay, so you need to write 1.850 here, not a 4 point. Okay, why? Because at this particular point we measure the BS. This is your first point after we change here, change position. Okay, because we change that at 3 level, you change your instrument station. Okay, so that's why we change, and first we measure that backside. Okay, and here first point, it is your benchmark. So write in remark the benchmark is applied and when you change. Okay, why we write here 4 point? Because we change our station point. Okay, now next, now we measure for side. Now next point is intermediate side. So write in intermediate position. Fourth is 1.935 and 2.450. Okay, so this is your point. Now once again the point change at 7 reading. So this is your foresight 1.750. Now here the station change from one location to another. Then put next backside at changing point 360. Okay, now once again intermediate point, write in IS 720. Then once again change your station at 10th reading. Once again write backside. Okay, and go continuation. Understood how you write that proper column? So this is your CP. Okay, in remark you need to write when we change and which location we change our station. Okay, first we change at 3rd reading, then at 7th reading, and then 10th reading. Okay, so first 1 2 3 change point, then measure backside, then 1 2 3 means 4 7 4 5 6. Okay, then foresight and also change point, so then measure backside 0.360. Okay, this is your 8 reading, then 9 and 10th 10 point, then we change our station point, so CP allot, and then we measure first backside, so 0.920, and then last point 12 reading is 0.630. Understood? So this is the way you write in a table, so using BS, IS and FS. Now calculate RL. Okay, so we have a equation. First RL of HI. Okay, so RL of HI equal to RL of BM plus BS. So first we assume in a first point, in an example, the first point. So first point as given by is 50, the reduced level at a first point. So write in RL equal to 50, first reading. Okay, that is your 50 is your first reading. Now you need to calculate height of instrument. So how we calculate height of instrument? So add that backside into this RL, means the given RL. Okay, this is your benchmark. So put RL of BM is 50 plus that backside. Backside is 0.350. So write in the HI, this is 50.350. Okay, next, now you need to calculate that RL of various point. So RL of various point. Okay, so how you get that RL of HI minus intermediate side. Okay, so using that you need to calculate that minus 0.580. So for this need a calculator. 50.350 minus 0.580. Okay, it is 49.770. 49.770. Okay, so right here 49.770. Okay, now changing the position. Once again, RL of point, then RL of HI. Now here foresight reading. So foresight reading is always minus from HI. So foresight reading, what is our HI? 0.350 minus HI is 0.645. So subtract from 350 minus 0.645. So it's equal to 49.705. Okay. So write in RL 49.705. Now once again that changing point. Okay, so when station is changed, the RL of HI is changed. Why? Because we change our position from station 1 to 2. So use same equation for calculating RL of HI. So RL of HI equal to RL of CP. Okay, this is your RL of CP that we also already calculated, 49.705. So this is your RL of CP plus BS. Okay, BS we always use add for calculating RL of HI. So first write 49.705 plus BS. BS is what? Your fourth reading. Okay, 1.850. So put 1.850. So calculate once again. 49.705 plus 1.850. Okay, so it's give 51.355. Okay, so put in here. Okay, so 51.355. It is your RL of HI. Now calculate for all that reading RL of HI and RL of various point. Understood? So this is your task. Okay, now after calculating that, you need to find summation of BS, means the sum of all this value. Okay, and summation of FS means the sum of all this value. Okay, so what is summation of BS? So summation BS is equal to okay, it is 3.480 and summation of SS is equal to 4.225. This one and what is your first RL? First RL is your 49.255. Sorry, last RL. This is last RL and first RL is 50.000. So this is your first RL and last RL. Understood? So there is a cross check from that this reading is right or not. How you cross check? The summation of BS minus summation of FS is equal to last RL minus first RL. So if the difference between BS and FS and difference between first RL and last RL is same, then your calculation is correct. Understood? Now try to calculate and try to solve using HI method. Okay.